back to the channel, guys. I don't like that. Today we got a sick battle. We got a Alpine White M3 V8 monster engine in that thing. One of my favorite BMWs, the only BMW M3 that came with the V8 in there. It's a pretty sweet setup, completely stock. And we're going up against the Toyota Supra with some work done. It's got turbo downpipes, intercooler stuff. It's got a bunch of upgrades on there. Got Borla exhaust, AFE air intake. Got some mods. We're trying to see which one sounds more aggressive, which one performs better. We're trying to see which one's making more power. So we got some work to do on this M3. The Supra, fortunately, already has all the work done on it. You guys can see it on the channel. We got a bunch of different build videos on the Supra. And that's our camera guy, Jay's shop car. Toyota Supra with a downpipe tune, air intake, full exhaust. The thing rips, all right? And we got this legendary, like I said, legendary, infamous M3 with the V8. No other BMWs come with the V8s. They're all 6 cylinders now. The old ones were garbage. The new ones are a lot nicer. The ones prior to the new ones were complete trash. But this one right here, super clean, almost mint condition M3 with the V8 in there. The question of the day is, can we take this legendary M3's exhaust game to the next level and make it sound even close to this Supra that's fully built with all those sick ass upgrades? So stay tuned, guys. So we got the V8 M3 on the lift. We got it all set and done. We did a basic mid-section on this thing. We got rid of the resonators here and another set of resonators here. The cats are still on there. The car does have headers, so it's a pretty sweet, aggressive exhaust, all right? Now, you could go a little bit more crazy, a little bit more high-end, go with like an Eisenman axle back or a cat back, maybe even go with some titanium to really get that F1 sound out of this V8. We're working with DCG on this one. We're trying to make it more aggressive, a more enjoyable ride for the M3, the guy who will buy this car. It's a pretty sweet ride. You want it to sound a little bit more aggressive, just do a midsection on this thing. If you're looking for more catbacks, more performance, you do a full exhaust on there, maybe an air intake, maybe an upgraded intake manifold, but a bunch of stuff can be done to this V8. This is one of the only V8 M3s in the world, and if you do buy one, it's a collector's car because there's no more V8s ever to be made on the M3. So if you're looking for upgrades, there are some stuff available on our website, gexhaust.com, looking for an air intake or maybe some exhaust systems, but besides that, we're gonna drop it, rev it for you guys. Let me know what you think. So we got the Supra on the lift. As you can see, it's got the Borla exhaust on there. Borla ATAC, sponsored by Borla. Shout out to Borla, sending us this system. Pretty sweet carbon fiber tips. It looks pretty sweet. Probably the best system on the market. Can't beat it. Full 3.5-inch mid-pipe. Got the valve control in the back with the Borla ATAC muffler. Like I said, carbon fiber tips. Got the valve control over here, right here. And then so it opens and closes. So you can have that valve control mode, which is pretty sweet. If you want to go less aggressive, close the valve. And if you want more aggressive, you open the valve. It's full straight pipe off of one side and then Borla ATAC out the other side. Then 3.5-inch mid-pipe with the patented Borla technology right here. This is a Borla ATAC baffle system. It's a pretty sweet setup. I got 2 of these on my car. And then continues with the 3.5-inch mid-pipe to the high flow catted downpipe on there. Now this car is tuned, does have an air intake. Tuned, downpipe, full exhaust, and Borla, baby, which you can't beat. Best system on the market, like I said. So, you think it's enough? It's enough to shatter that M3. We're gonna rev this one. This one's got some pops and bangs. That one doesn't have pops and bangs. So we'll see which one wins. Guys, comment below. Let us know which one you think sounds better. And which car you would rather have? Would you rather have the Supra? Would you rather have the V8 M3, the nostalgic, legendary M3? Or you want the nostalgic Supra, the new Supra with BMW parts?
Mm-hmm.